Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear a Google Drive photo storage. So to do that, let's head over to Google Drive first. Once you are there, to free up space, you can, first of all, you can try to empty the trash. Go to the three lines icon on the top left and go to bin. And here, if you have any trash, you can empty trash or empty bin to permanently delete the files. The second one is manage stores through your Google Photos. So what you need to do is just to go to the three lines icon again and go to storage. And here you'll be navigated to your storage usage. Go to more details to see how much of your photo is taking up your space. So go to clean up space. And here you will find each and every details for your space. And go to Google Photos. And here you'll find the photos that is taking up your space. As you can see in my one, there is no large photos and videos over 5 MB to delete. But if I had, I could delete it from here by tapping on this trash icon on the top right. So once you are done, you can make sure that your Google um, Drive is empty of large photos. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.